Hi, this is MS Tech here. Today in this session, we'll discuss how to get the value, how to get the text value of a drop down and show it in a label on a button click. Let us start. Let us label it first. This book category. Put a button here, button control here. Let us name the ID as btn get book category. Let us put a label here. LBL message is the ID, and by default we are not showing anything. Let us do some styling on this label. Color is red. Let us see the design. Here in this session we'll discuss we'll select a value in this drop down when we click this button we have to rename. Okay, we'll rename it. When we'll click this button, here a message will be displayed beneath the button. Category code for this text is the cat 001 will show. At present, when we click button, there nothing happening, no message is coming. We have to do the coding part, then we can see. Let us rename the text get book category. This is the name of the button. When we will click this button, we will display message here. Something when the button will be clicked, an event should be executed. How to write a event here, how to add a event to this button control. On click, write on click equal, you will get suggestion create new event. Just go there and press enter. See, button get book category underscore click event has been created in the code behind page. You can see this was not there earlier. It has been created. So when we will click this button, this event will be executed. We have to write the code here. let us get the category description first. dsc equal ddl book category dot selected item dot text. This way we can get the text value of the drop down list. Next we'll write the code to get the selected item value, the code of the book category, selected item dot value. Let us form the message and assign it to the text property of the label control. Category code for class category description. Class is used to concatenate two string. Get dsc plus is plus, and we are concatenating category code. I think we are done. Now we can execute and see the output in the browser. Let us execute it again to get the output. Let us select a option in the drop down list. Suppose class 10 we have selected. Now click on the get book category button. See, we have displayed the message properly. There is a space needed here between the category description and the is word. Let us execute it again in browser. Suppose we are selecting class 5, then get book category code for class 5 is cat00, and let us check the database. Is it similar with the database? Class 5 for book category description, class 5 is cat001. Let us check another. Class 12 get book category for class 12, the code is cat008. For class 12 the category code is cat008. Thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Of course, please comment on the video. If you need the source code, I can share with you. You can share your email ID. I will send the code to you accordingly. Thank you very much.